Welcome to another episode of Salty Country. In this episode, I'm going to clean up around this burn pile and see if we can get it ready to burn. So stick around. All right, let's see if my microphone works. Trying to get down here and clean up around the burn pile because the conditions might be right to do a little burning. I just want to kind of go around this thing and get any brush that's right at it kind of cleaned up. We get situated here. The guys that put my building up built this plywood way down here, which I'm fine with. I gotta work my way around it. It's been raining a lot, so everything's kind of damp. We got a chance of rain today, so I may light this thing off this evening. See if I can get this piece of plywood hooked up. We did it on the pile. I'm going to try to consolidate some of this stuff that's kind of dried up a little bit, and maybe I can break it and get it in the pile a little bit better. Kind of hanging out, so try to get it piled up as much as possible. Don't know if I got a good enough bite. I don't. All right. Got a few things to grab on this side. Let's see if I can back up and grab them. Okay. Got some pine logs over here. Let's see what I can do with them. All right, let's see if we can get these pine logs up on the top so they'll burn a little better. All right, I think I got it pretty cleaned up around the pile. I'm gonna scratch a little bit of this weeds around it. So I'll have just a little bit of a barrier. See if I can reach around here real quick and just make a couple swipes. Once I get all this cleaned up and burned, I'm going to make this in the yard down here. We installed a RV connection at the shop. So this will kind of be down in behind the RV section. This be a good area if we have guests ever come in, they can kind of have an area to hang out. Get all kind of creatures on you when you're out here in the woods. I don't expect that fire would move through this green stuff, but I always like to just scratch around just a little bit, just to make it a little bit more difficult. That it dries it out.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
This fire here, if I start it, it's going to be a hot one. It's got a lot of small stuff underneath, but it's got some big timber on it. So it's going to be a hot fire.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
All right, I think we got it good enough that we can light her off. All right, we got it cleaned up around it so that hopefully the fire don't try to spread. I don't think it would anyway. All right, I got the second fan installed. Feels pretty good in here.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come down with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. time, staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time, staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
I want to thank everyone for watching. Remember, if you like our content, subscribe, share it with your friends. We'll see you on the next one. It's starting to rain.